All right, again, this is a catch-up tutorial, something you missed in class, so I'm just kind of going quickly through the code without doing a lot of explanation so you can get caught up. All right, so for our star, right now as we fly around, nothing happens when we touch the star, and we're going to make it worth point and try to collect the correct amount of points to win the game. So we need to add some code to the star, but the first thing we need to do is go over to the variables category, and we need to click make a variable. We're going to call this variable score. Make sure that for all sprites is checked. You probably don't see this cloud variable, so just go ahead and click OK. You're going to notice on the screen right now that there's a little score on the screen. The reason it's visible on the screen is because it's checked right here. If you make a variable that you don't want visible on the screen, you just uncheck it. But we're going to leave that checked because we want players to know their score. All right, so let's add the code that we need now to keep track of the score in the game. So we're going to bring out a when green flag clicked. We are going to bring out under variables, we're going to bring out set my variable to 0. We're going to change that to score so that every time we start the game, the score is set to 0. We are then going to bring out a forever block. And basically what we want to happen here is we want to teach the game how to keep score. So under control again, we're going to bring out an if-then block. I'm going to temporarily leave it out here so you can see a little bit more clearly. We're going to go to sensing. You're going to find the if touching, and you're going to change this to whatever your sprite is called. Mine is called me fly copy. Yours should be like a number and then your last name, whatever your period is. Bring that out. Under looks, we're going to bring out a hide so that the star disappears when it touches us. We then want to change our score. So we're going to bring out a change score, put that under hide in the forever, change score by 1. So every time we hit a star, it changes by 1. And then for sound, you're going to see that there is a sound called collect. And we're going to have that play. And then we're going to put all of that in the forever. And now when we play the game, when we touch a star, we should get a point, and it should play that little sound, and the star should disappear. All right, good.